Hello, my dear pupils. I miss you so much. And today we are going to have a listening test. Сьогодні у нас буде тест з аудіювання. So be attentive, будьте уважні. You have to listen to the dialects. Вам потрібно послухати діалоги. And then you have to answer this question. Відповісти на запитання. You have to answer A, B or C. Вам потрібно відповісти A, B або C. This picture, the first picture is A. Ця картинка, перша картинка, це відповідь A. The second picture is answer B. Друга картинка – це відповідь B. And the third picture is answer C. So, listen to the dialogue and answer the question. You have to choose one correct picture. Слухаєте діалоги та відповідаєте на запитання. Вам потрібно вибрати одну правильну картинку. So, let's start. Починаємо. Number 1. Who helped Anne to do her homework? Who helped Anne to do her homework? Did you do your homework, Anne?
Yes, I did.
Did your brother help you?
No, he didn't.
Who helped you?
My grandparents helped me.
Okay, you have to choose A, B or C. Number 2. What is Anne's favorite vegetable? What is Anne's favorite vegetable? Do you like cucumbers, Anne?
No, I don't. They aren't tasty.
Do you like cabbage?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite vegetable?
Carrot.
So you have to choose A, B or C. Now let's do number 3 and number 4. Look. Number 3. How many brothers does Anne have? How many brothers does Anne have? Have you got a sister, Anne?
No, I haven't.
Do you have a brother?
Yes, I do. I have 2 brothers and 4 cousins.
A, B, C. Well done. Now, number 4. When does Anne have her music lesson? When does Anne have her music lesson? Do you have your music lesson on Wednesday, Anne?
No, I don't. I have sport on Wednesday and Monday.
When is your music lesson then?
It's on Tuesday.
Okay, you have to choose A, B or C. Well done. Now, pupils, let's do number 5 and number 6. So, number 5. What did Anne have for breakfast yesterday? What did Anne have for breakfast yesterday? Listen. Was your breakfast tasty, Anne?
Yes, it was. I ate my favorite food.
What did you eat? Did you eat fish?
No, I didn't. I ate cheeseburger.
You have to choose A, B or C. Let's do number 6. Where will Anne go on Saturday? Where will Anne go on Saturday?
I would like to go for a walk with my family at the weekend.
Where will you go on Saturday, Anne?
I will go to the mountains on Saturday and I will go to the church on Sunday.
You have to choose answer A, answer B or answer C. Now Let's do number 7 and number 8. 7. What lesson did Anne have yesterday? What lesson did Anne have yesterday? Were you at home yesterday, Anne?
No, I wasn't. I had my math lesson yesterday.
Oh, clear. You have to choose A, B, or C. And the last. Number 8. What will Anne do in the evening? What will Anne do in the evening? Let's go for a walk, Anne.
No, thanks. I will stay at home.
What will you do in the evening? Will you ride a bike?
No, I won't. I will watch TV in the evening.
So, pupils, I wish you good luck. Я бажаю вам, учні, успіху.